What's up, everybody? It's Phil and Jessie from Making Our Roots.
And today we're going to show you how to harvest garlic.
All right, so we've taken all of the hay off of our garlic. It is now time to harvest. The hay goes on right when we plant it, back in October. So this has been on there. This is used as a mulch of some sort. We prefer hay. It's what we learned when we were in Alaska. And the special thing about this harvest is all of this garlic was seed from Alaska. So we are very excited to bring it home and have our harvest.
Another thing to note is that when the leaves start to die, that's when you know that your garlic is ready to harvest. About a month ago, we actually harvested all of the scapes from the top of the plants. The scapes are actually the flower. So those were harvested a month ago.
And they're edible?
Yes, they're edible and they're delicious. So now that the scapes are harvested, it's been about a month, the leaves are dying, our bulbs are ready to go.
Everybody loves garlic. Let's get to it. Okay, so for your harvest, it's really simple. Grab low down to the base right by the bulb, give it a little wiggle, and it's gonna pop right out. Keep all of that dirt back in your garden bed so that you have it, but look at that. This is one. We're gonna go to the next one here. And then guys, if you start to feel that you might be breaking your stalk, go ahead, you can dig around it a little bit. You can use a tool if your soil's not like that, but it is a simple harvest. Look at that.
Pulling one of the bulbs and checking to see its growth will give you a good idea of what's going on with the rest of the garlic. Save the larger bulbs for your seed garlic. You can take these individual cloves, which will be planted into the ground in October, for you to start this process all over again.
So now we're gonna let the garlics cure in a cool, dry spot like your garage for about 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you'll clip the roots and the stalks off the garlic and they'll be ready to eat. Be careful at this stage, the garlic bulbs can bruise really easily. So just be gentle with them and try not to bang them together. And if you have multiple varieties of garlic like we do here, make sure to label your shelves. For instance, this is Romanian red. This is our music garlic. And then down on the bottom shelf, we have our Georgian fire.
It's pretty difficult to tell the difference between the different varieties of garlic, but as you can tell, the musics are a little bit smaller. Romanian Reds did really well, and actually the Georgian Fires did really well too. So the garlic is in, and this is really special for us because this was Alaskan garlic that we brought home in our carry-on bags home from Alaska. So this is very exciting, and we should be really proud of this.
I am really proud, yep. And in about 2 weeks, when these are dry, we will separate the largest ones aside and use them as seed to replant in October for next summer.
Awesome.
Yep.
Come here, Vicky.
Okay.